Hi everyone, welcome to Be Strong and Love Yourself with Dasha, to my sewing series Sew and Have Fun. Today I'm going to have fun with my blouse. I already attached the facing to it, so this is how it looks so far. And I already attached, so I will be working on my sleeve bands. And I'm not going to show the whole process, and because I want to focus on one specific presser foot on this video, but I will describe really fast what I did. So first I attached my sleeve band to my blouse, right sides together, and only after that I made the side seam. So this way my sleeve band kind of became a part of side seam. So I need to iron it a little bit, and then I will turn it inside like this, and with my special presser foot I will try to kind of stitch in the ditch, what they call it. So I will try to stitch to make another line in the stitching line that I already have. And if you're an experienced seamstress and you sew for years, you don't need this presser foot to sew in the particular line. But if you're a beginner, this presser foot can be very useful, and it can help you to save some time. So we will see how it goes. Maybe it will not work, but I will share it with you, the result, how this presser foot works. So let's see how it goes. I wanted also to add that the ironing part is extremely important, and not only the sleeve band, but it's just important for the whole sewing process. So, you know, if you have your seams, you need to press them open. For example, I pressed on this one and I forgot about this one. So then I'm using my seam gauge to check that my band will be the same around in here. So this I put inside, and then I'm checking that I have the same distance everywhere. After I checked, I can iron it. This piece that I checked, and I pin it. Then I go to the next piece. Again, I put it inside, and I check on my seam gauge that it's the same. And I iron it. I really want to buy a new iron. Mine is not good. I think I want to buy, I haven't decided yet, but I do need a new iron. So this is how you go. You kind of turn it like this, just small part by small part. And for me also important, it is important that a little part of my sleeve band inside is a little bit below than this stitch line. So this here, in here I have a little bit less than in here. This way, when I'm going to stitch, when I will stitch this, make a stitching on this line, this stitch will take this extra fabric on inside and will hold this band in place. Okay, I will continue to work on this band, and then when I start sewing, I will start recording again. So now I'm ready to sew, almost. So I have this wonderful box with, I think, 42 presser feet. And one of them is very convenient for stitching in the ditch, and I will show you which one and how it looks like, and then I will make a closer look to the video. But this is the foot itself, and as you can see here, it has this part that I will place exactly in the stitch line, so my needle will go, it will guide my needle, and it will go to the inside of the stitching line. To replace it is extremely easy on my machine. So you see how I just pull it a little bit, and then I will place a new presser foot in here. And I will remove part of my machine, this little box, for my convenience. And now I will start to sew my sleeve band, and I will do back stitch in the beginning and in the end. I think a very important part is to make sure that your fabric is flat. I haven't tried to use this presser foot for the armband or sleeve band, I'm sorry, but I did use it for my waistband, and for waistband it worked really nice. So we will see how it works in here. Scary. I forgot to turn on the machine. Okay. Now I need to back stitch a little bit. And now I just want to make sure that my fabric is flat, and I kind of always go straight. And I'm looking at the needle, which is not good. It's better to look at the presser foot. Now I will pause and I will show you how it looks like very close. So this is the presser foot. This is my guide, and it goes straight on the line, the stitching line. And I will show you another piece just in very close. So this is the presser foot. And this is my stitching line. You can hardly see it because it goes in the stitch that I already had. It's really hard to see. Okay, I'm going to finish it and we'll show you the result. This is the foot. Here is my sleeve band, and this is how it looks like inside. You can see the lining here, the threads, and outside you can hardly see the thread because the stitch line was hidden in the existing one. Here is my presser foot. This is how it looks like one more time. And in the manual that I have for my presser foot, it is called edge joining foot. So probably this is how you can find it somewhere online. It's very convenient for skirts, waistbands. I think I always use it for waistbands. I would like to show you how it looks like on my blouse, you know, the whole thing, the sleeve band. So I finished the left one and this is how it looks. I think it's very cute, and I will have a yellow bow in here too, and I think I will sew a skirt from this yellow fabric. The other way you can attach the sleeve band is you can use top stitching, and top stitching can be a very cute design idea, and it can change the look of your garment. I think top stitching is pretty cool also. I just wanted to try this presser foot, and I will definitely use it again, and it's extremely, you know, I have shown you the example of the sleeve band, but I think this presser foot works really well with waistbands for the skirts. It really helps me. I hope you liked this video, and thank you so much for watching. Be strong and love yourself.